So this truck right here has a Webasto diesel heater, which is quite new model, and the spare parts are really expensive for many. In this case here, the blower fan, the air fan, is broken, and it's around 300 euros plus other parts which you will need to check after you will open it. So we will choose the cheaper option. I will replace this Webasto heater with this $100 Chinese heater, which will provide easily 4 kilowatts of power. That means double the power instead of 2 kilowatts which Webasto provides. Anyway, let's see if it works. Stay tuned. First thing, let's raise just a little bit this cabin. This should be enough. Well, we will need to remove the exhaust, the intake and the fuel hose, and after that 4 nuts with 10 millimeters. Little piggy. And now comes the funny part, fitting this big brother. And after a lot of struggling, I've managed to fit this heater. Now the fuel pump and the wires. The fuel pump should be right under the batteries. Let's see. Yeah, here is it. Okay, you will want to have the Chinese fuel pump in hand, because after you'll unplug this hose to not lose all the fuel from the line. This fuel, and the one to the heater. And now the electrical connector, and we're done. Okay. Good. You should keep in mind that if you want to do this diesel heater swap with a Chinese one to MAN trucks, let's say, I think is the easiest to swap the diesel heater, because on MAN trucks it's 10 times faster to swap it. You don't have any headaches with the fitting or with the electrical connectors. You just use the truck harness. Anyway, it's 10 times faster and easier. If you want to buy also a Chinese diesel heater under $100, you can find the link in the video description. Now I will connect it without cutting this plug. White, it's ground, and thick red wire should be plus, permanent plus. Yes, we have 24 volts. And now to the Chinese heater. Red it's plus, black it's ground. That means to the white. Okay, so this white with a blue line and red with a blue line, these two wires goes to the fuel pump. So these two will need to connect with these two. You will have a fuse here. Let's see how big is this. 20 amps. And it will have another one in the fuse box, in the truck fuse, main fuse box. And now we have another plug, which it will go to a control unit. That's the sound, but it will take a while until the fuel arrives to the heater. Already making a lot of heat. Much more than the original Webasto. Let's see here the passenger. Yes. To be honestly, it's 10 times more powerful. It already heated up quite heavily. I didn't expect it to be so powerful. You cannot keep the hand here more than 5 seconds. And when you think that repairing the original heater costs 3 times more than this Chinese diesel heater, I don't know, man, but I think a lot of you will take this option, the Chinese diesel heater. Anyway, that's my opinion. Well, that's it. I hope this video is useful to someone, and if it is, please hit that subscribe and like button. See you on the next video.